In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your app store from asking a password every time you're going to install an application. For example, you're going to install X on your iPhone, and then you tap get, and then every time they're asking you Apple ID password, to install an application, it can be literally very, very, annoying. So I'm going to show you how to stop that and how to get rid of that. So follow the steps. Let's get started. 1, you're going to do the following. The first thing you're going to do is open your iPhone settings. Okay, now iPhone settings, scroll down till where you see the word screen time. Okay, tap screen time. Okay, don't worry, you're not changing any screen time. Just go to the part of restrictions. Okay, they're going to show you content and privacy restrictions. So tap right there, and then you're going to do the following. Just make sure you toggle this content and privacy restrictions off. Okay, now don't go away yet. There's another important step that you have to do. Head back. Okay, head back. Okay, now I want you to tap your name right here. Okay, now when you tap your name right there, you're going to tap on what they call media and purchases right here. Then they're going to show you password settings. Okay, so you're going to tap on password settings. Okay, right there. Now this is where you see when purchasing, they show you always require password, then require after 15 minutes, and then free downloads require password. You can see this is actually toggled on. So what you're going to do is you're going to toggle this off right here. Okay, then probably they're going to ask you sign in required, then enter your password to put that. Okay, then put your password. So after putting your password, press OK. Okay, so when you press OK, just make sure this require password aspect is actually toggled off. Okay, then you tap on done. Okay, then come back to the normal. Now go back to your app store. Okay, then we're going to tap on the X again. That's the one we wanted to install. Tap right there. Now they're going to bring you this. Okay, don't worry. Now tap install. You can see it shows you done. Now the application is actually downloading and installing on your iPhone. Hit the subscribe button if you pick value in this video. If you solve this problem, it's the Albert Teachers. See you next time.